So now we are going to deal with the numerical problems of the section quantization of charges. So question, when a polythene piece is wrapped with wool, a negative charge is developed in polythene. Hence polythene becomes negatively charged and wool becomes positively charged. If after rubbing the charge found on wool is 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb, then find the number of electrons transferred. Also find whether there is any transfer of mass. So, when a polythene piece is wrapped with wool, a negative charge is developed in polythene. That means the polythene accepts electron and wool loses electron. So polythene become negative and wool will become positively charged. So after rubbing, charge inside the wool is given. That is 3 into 10 raised to minus 7. We need to find how many electrons are transferred. So this number of electron based questions will be mainly from quantization section. So first what you need to do is write the given data. So n is unknown. We need to find number of electrons. Q is given 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. So this is the charge present inside the wool. That is why it is given by positive charge. If it is given for the polythene, then it will be negatives. Negative 3 into 10 raised to minus 7. So as wool is positively charged, Q is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. Then we know E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 90. So we have the equation Q is equal to NE or N is equal to Q by E. Substituting the values, we get 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 by 16 into 10 raised to minus 19. We'll get the value as 1.87 into 10 raised to 12. Then second part, whether there is any transfer of mass. So is there any change in mass when electrons gets transferred from wool to polythene? We need to find whether the mass is also transferred or not, or is there any change in mass of electron. So mass of electron will also be transferred. That means M is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. So total mass transferred will be 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 1.87, which is the number of electrons. So for 1 electron the mass is 9.1. So here 1.87 electrons are already transferred. So the mass transferred will be 9.1 into 1.87 and the answer will be 1.70 into 10 raised to minus 8 kilogram. So we can move on to the second question. A comb drawn through person's hair on a dry day causes 10 raised to 22 electrons to leave the person's hair and stick to the comb. Calculate the charge carried by the comb. So this is often familiar for you. We often do this activity during the class sessions, etc. in your lower classes. So a comb drawn through person's hair on a dry day causes 10 raised to 22 electrons to leave the person's hair and stick to the comb. So when we rub with a comb over a person's hair, it loses 10 raised to 22 electrons from the hair, and these electrons got stick to the comb. So we need to find the charge carried by the comb. So here N is given, that is 10 raised to 22. Charge is unknown. We already know the value of E. So I hope you can find the answer using the equation Q is equal to NE. And the answer should be Q is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 raised to 3 coulomb. And the minus belongs to the charge belongs to the charge of the comb as it accepts the electrons. So in this session we have studied about the electric charges, then three methods of charging of a body, properties of charges, quantization of charges, and its numerical problems. So this chapter is somewhat lengthy chapter which includes some derivations, numerical problems, and etc. A lot of diagrams, graphs, etc. So this one is the first part of the syllabus, that is electric charges and conservation of charges, and next topic will be Coulomb's force, and it also consists of some derivations and numerical problems also. So you have to prepare the note based on this video, and you can also refer your textbook and also SL Aurora. If you have the text, you can refer to that textbook, and you have to solve the problem given in the video. That means answer is only given, you have to solve the problem to get that answer. So I hope the class is clear for you. So we can see in the next class. Thank you.